to, where are we gonna go, my baby? Where are we gonna go? Sabihin mo sa video.
And we are looking into all possible options to ensure your safety and comfort.
Paano?
Kindly stay inside the pre-departure area so we can keep you updated. Thank you.
Oh.
What are you doing?
am tapon
Dirty Jan, halika rito.
Like it? I saw your moon.
Our boarding time is supposed to be 7:45, but delayed yung flight. So, mga 9:15 pa ata yung departure na. So, dito muna kami. My baby is eating. What are you eating? S'mores? Is it yummy? That's your breakfast? Oh no, what happened to your hands? Look at your hands. Anong tawag dyan? Chocolate.
Hey. Hi. What are you doing? You're reading. What are the things you're gonna do in Boracay? You're gonna do what?
O, saan ka kakain? Saan ka kakain? Ano yung makakainan mo na ice cream shop? Where? Saan? Mango Mama. Mango ice cream. Saan pa? Coco Mama. Ano pa? Ice Flakes Watermelon. Wow, sarap naman nun.
Ito po yung food?
Dito na kami sa Boracay Airport. Ang daddy bumili ng shades kasi naiwan niya yung shades niya. Sinabi ko na bago umalis. Iwan. Yan, dito na kami. Galakad kami papunta sa tricyclean. Magka-tricycle lang kami ngayon. Yan yung mga tricycle, color orange.
I have my shades na. How about you? Sino walang shades sa atin? Mommy doesn't have shades.
Nasa tricycle na kami. We're going to the port na Wang Big T. Sa tricycle.
Dalawang tao. What are you feeling, my baby?
Okay? Say good if you're okay. Paano po?
Support.
Where are we? We're in the boat na. 32-33. Papunta sa port. Ay, another port. Then, where are we? We're here na sa jeep. Sa jeep na kami. Oh, jeep na. Jeep. This is our 3-bedroom apartment here sa Azalea. So, pagpasok, ayan siya. Meron siyang kitchen. Meron dyan mga utensils na pwedeng gamitin. Merong sink. And then dito, stove, burner. And then yan, pang coffee. Meron din silang humidifier, exhaust. Yan, here, meron silang kompleto sila ng utensils. Ayan. Tapos dito, cabinet. And then, meron silang yan, this is the dining room. Tapos, this is the common CR. Ayan. So, meron na pong kasamang mga ano yan, mga towels. And then, of course, meron sila ditong kasama na, ayan, mga shampoo, soap. So, dito yung una na CR. Ayan. And then, this is the first room. Parehas lang sila nitong second room. So, meron siyang dalawang double bed. And then, meron din dito ang balcony. Yan. So, dito sa balcony, pwede kang magsampay dyan ng mga damit mo. Tama-tama mainit. And then, the master's bedroom is this one. Dito kami ni Chingay and ni Daddy. So, ganun lang din ang setup. Meron lang din siyang ganyan. Tapos tong dalawa, makulit. Ano yan? Makulit yan! Tapos, eto, dito sa master's bedroom, may sariling CR. Siyempre, kailangan namin ng sariling CR din. Para privacy ni Chingay. So, ayan siya.
You're gonna stay there.
This is a sofa bed, actually.
Sofa bed yan? Paano yung sofa
Tapos,
bed?
inano nila, kinonvert nila as a isa pang bed. Yay! You like it?
You come here, you can jump here na.
Go! Go jump! It's so cold? It's so cold?
Go! Up ka lang, up ka lang, up!
Go!
Kaya nag-i-sleeping tayo. Bilis, kaya ano na, night time. Please, let's show sa video. Kaya nag-i-sleep tayong dalawa. Please, kaya Papa's gonna go down to the stairs. Bilis.
Dito na kami sa D-Mall. We're gonna look for Mezerap. Doon kami magla-lunch. This is where we're gonna eat. Mezerap.
Hi.
Nandito na kami sa Mezerap. Anong order mo?
Mozzarella lang.
Wow. Ikaw, anong order mo?
I like rice. I like
Fries?
rice.
And beef? And rice?
Here's your marshmallow.
Bakit naman yung dip? Ano masasabi mo sa scap movie?
Ano, bakit kaya ganyan? Kasi sanay siya eh. Sanay siya sa amoy eh.
We just woke up from our beautiful nap, and then now we're gonna explore the beach.
Where's the Seska?
There's the
Tingin.
people.
Wow. Bye! Ano na?
We're here na. Hey, you want your floater?
Saan na tubig, no? Ang linaw, no?
Wow! Hi!
Happy? Anong gusto pa? Go wave! Go wave! Go!
Dito na kami sa beach and yung dalawa. Nasaan na ba yung dalawa? Nandun na sila. They're already playing there. Medyo mababaw pa yung tubig. Kaya nakakapunta pa sila doon sa malalim. You're so halayo na, girl!
Gusto mo na naman that's where you're from. Na ano ka? Nag-swimming? Ba? Hindi ka marihin. Oh, big wave!
Sige, palayo na siya ng palayo eh. So yan, lagyan na natin ng floater. Enjoy ka, very good ah.
Wala sila lang yung parang ano. Ikot.
Ayaw na mag-swimming, gawa na raw sila ng snowman.
Oh, we have a big mountain na. Ano ba talaga? Yan na, big mountain. Oh.
Where are you gonna go? Ay, wait lang. That's not heavy mango. Ano? That's ice flakes. Ito pa na to. No, here. Here. You look good like this one. Wow. This one is a coconut. We came back to Boracay for this. It's still so yummy. What's this one, anak? What's this called? This is what? Mango what? Ice flakes. Is it yummy? Yeah, you like it? We're done na eating ng ice flakes. Now we're gonna go back na sa Azalea and freshen up. Then wait namin sila Mama Mi, Tata, Mama Baby, and Papa and Kuya Kyle.
What?
This is the pool
We're
sa
buddies.
Azalea.
What? What are we gonna eat? What are you gonna eat? Turo mo yung food mo. Show mo, show. Are you gonna eat chicken? How about fries? I'll show your cute face. Cute. Can you show your simangot face? Simangot. Can you show your smiley face? Can you show your gulat face? Can you show your excited face?
Excited.
Paano excited?
Excited.
Hindi ba kita?
Excited.
Say hi, Ching.